On the left, 40 minutes of meeting typed in real time by someone half listening. On the right, every decision, every owner, every deadline, one page. The distance between these two documents is about 90 seconds of asking. No setup, no settings, no experience required. Let me show you exactly how and where people go wrong. Level 0 of Claude for everyone. The playlist below starts at the beginning if you're new. This one works on the free plan, like everything in this level. By the end, you'll have done this with a document from your own work output you'd actually use, not a party trick. One word before we start. Whatever you type into that box, your request plus anything you paste along with it, is the entire briefing Claude works from. It knows nothing about you or your task except what's in front of it. That input has a name, a prompt. Remember the nothing except what is in front of it part. It's about to matter. Last video ended on a problem. Claude has no memory of you and no live knowledge of your job. Here's the flip side, everything it needs can fit in one message. Hand it the material and tell it 4 things: what you need, why you need it, who it's for, and what shape the output should take. That's it. No magic words. Think of the new colleague from last video, brilliant, patient, and completely unbriefed. Today we brief them properly by hand. Just watch what changes between a lazy ask and a real one. I'm using the meeting notes from the practice kit linked below, so you can run this exact demo yourself. I click the plus button, add the file. Now I'll do what almost everyone does the first week. Summarize this. Send. Look, it's fine. It's accurate. It's also useless. It reads like minutes written by someone who wasn't in the room. Nobody on my team needs a prose recap of a meeting they attended. This is the 5%, a fine answer to a question nobody actually had. Before I fix it, look at my prompt and tell me what's missing. Pause and name at least 2 things. Here's my list. It never says what I need this for, who will read it, or what shape would make it usable. Claude had to guess all 3. It guessed generic. Now the real ask. Same file, same chat. Watch what I'm giving it, what I need, a follow-up document. Why? So nothing gets dropped. Who for the team. The shape, 3 sections, bullets, short. One more thing at the end. What to do when information is missing. Mark it, don't invent it. Look at the difference. Decisions, actions with owners, and exactly what I asked for. 2 actions flagged, needs date instead of a made-up deadline. Same tool, same document, same 30 seconds of typing. The only thing that changed is that I actually briefed it. It's close but not perfect, and this is the habit that separates people who get value from this tool from people who quit. Don't start over and don't settle. Tell it what's wrong in the same chat. Reorder the sections, add a slack line. 10 seconds. Done. First draft, 1 revision, usable document. That rhythm, ask, look, adjust is the whole workflow. It's designed to work this way. Same move, any job. Marketer. Here's my published blog post, turn it into a LinkedIn post, a tweet thread, a newsletter blurb matching my brand voice. A teacher. Here's my unit worksheet, list what each question tests and flag the ones that don't match the lesson goal. A freelancer. Here's the client's rambling brief email, extract every deliverable, deadline, and unanswered question. The nouns change. The 4-part ask doesn't. Your turn. And this is the whole point of the level so far. Take the document you picked after the level intro, or grab the starter set below, upload it, brief it properly, and push through exactly 1 revision. You'll know it worked when you're holding an output you would genuinely send or use. It took under 10 minutes. If the first draft disappoints, that's normal. Fix the brief, not your expectations. The pattern, material plus 4 things, what you need, why, for whom, and in what shape. Tell it what to do with missing information instead of letting it guess. When the draft isn't right, revise in the same chat. Iteration is the designed workflow, not a sign you failed. Next video, this pattern gets a name and a checklist. Next, the pattern behind what we just did, the 4-part brief, plus the one trick that beats writing a perfect prompt, making Claude interview you first.